Hi guys, I'm reviewing this HDMI cable. This thing is very long. This is 15 feet long. And what else does it say? It says that it's 15 feet long and it's 3D 4K ready, and it's perfect for Apple TV and Blu-rays, or for your PS4, PS3, whatever. I'm going to use mine for the Roku. I have one right now on my Roku, and it's short, so I'm going to put this one on there instead. See, here's my Roku here. I have the short one on. I'm going to put the longer one on it instead. Okay, I've already connected this wire, and it is so long, so now I have plenty of room in case I want to move the box more that way or on the other side. So if you guys want to order one, the link to these are in the description. Definitely go and check them out. They're always good to have. Thanks for watching.